Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's afternoon here in sunny Florida again. Today, I just want to talk about cleaning the inside, and I'm stressing the inside, of an aluminum rim. And, there's a lot of products out there you can use to do that. But the inside, as long as it's cleaned up, you don't have to polish anything like the outside. I found a nice way that you can do that. And I'm restoring this 2015 Dodge Journey. And it had some nasty rims, as you're going to see, both inside and outside. So today, I'm going to show you the two of the rims I already did. And remember, this is the inside. But this one here, the inside of the rim wasn't too dirty. These actually came from different states. I think these came from New York. I have one from Arizona. I had to buy new rims for it because the other rims on the outside were scratched and gouged and rusty and nasty. And I'm going to show you one of those rims in a minute. But you look at the inside of this rim. I mean, I cleaned this rim in about 5 minutes. And it's freaking, you can eat off of it. There's a lot of rim cleaners out there. And I'm not saying they're bad. I'm just going to say that I use something different. This is the back one I did already. And you can see on the inside of the rim, it's freaking sparkling in there. And I'm going to bring you over to the rim that I'm presently cleaning just to show you. I use a product called Simple Green. You guys probably heard of it before. And I'm going to flip the camera to show you. These are two rims. This one here, one on the right, the one I'm showing you now, from Arizona. I've already cleaned it. It came out excellent, and it's just no problem. And it wasn't too bad, so it cleaned up, like I said, about 5 minutes. Now this one here is the one I took off the van. And you can see I cleaned this section of it already with the Simple Green. Now the Simple Green solution I'm using is 50-50, 50% water, 50% Simple Green. You can buy Simple Green for about 11 bucks a gallon. It makes, how many ever gallons you need. Because you can dilute it to whatever strength. But this type of rim, I would actually use it full strength. And on the inside of the rim, it really doesn't matter when I say about scratching a little bit because it's the inside. But it comes out beautiful, man. It does. And I wanted to say that because people say, well, that wasn't that bad. So we're going to do a bad rim today. And I'm just going to show you with just Simple Green. I'm going to do another section. I already did that section. It took me about 3 times to go over it. Like in 2 minutes, I had that cleaned up. And I know there's ones you can spray on and hose off and all that, but if you don't want to spend the money and you don't mind using a little bit of elbow grease, you can take the nasty. This rim is nasty. It's from Virginia. I mean, it's coated with brake dust, sand, dirt. The people. That van over there was riding dirty. It was nasty. And I've cleaned it up quite a bit. And the rims are one of the last things I'm doing. I got a couple other things to do, but I'm actually going to drive that van for a little while until I maybe get tired of it and get another one. But this right here, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, don't mind using a little elbow grease. I'm going to clean it real quick. Just going to do a small section here. Let me see, I'm going to back the camera up a little bit and just take a little bit of the Simple Green, coat it pretty good. Simple Green, again, is cheap. I'm going to take my little scrubby pad right here. I use these green ones. And just to show you real quick, and you can see, it cuts right through it, man. I'm just going to use a little here, and you can start to see it'll kind of melt right off of there. I do it a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, just to kind of show you. That brake dust, it's, you can see right away. And I'm going to run the water here a minute. Put the water on it. Just to kind of show you here. Sorry, I got to move the camera around. And then I'll hit it again with a little bit of green, clean this pad off a little bit because it gets full of that brake dust, but just to show you. I just a couple of times going over it. Scrubbing that aluminum, you can already see big difference. I think you get the idea. I mean, this is a bad rim, man. This rim here, it's bad. This one takes about 3 times. I mean, if I went to town on it, probably can clean it in about 15 minutes. Not scrubbing too hard, but hard enough that'll, you know, makes a difference. And it's only going to come so clean. You got some spots on there pretty bad, and the rim's so dirty. But you can see that it cleans up nice, man. I mean, look at the difference in that rim. The scrubby pad's probably doing 50% of the work, and the simple green does the other. And the rest is history. I mean, I'm going to hit it one more time. But really, it'll come to a point that that's it. That's it, man. You can see how nice that rim is. I mean, this rim is bad, man. Simple green, man. I buy that stuff. I've cleaned engines with that stuff. This is not a commercial for them. It's just that it's a good cleaner, man. It really is. I mean, it's cheap, safe. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, I'm so impressed with it, I wanted to make the video. If I wasn't impressed with it, I would just keep silent. But that's a nasty rim right there. And again, if your probably rims ain't going to be that bad, that rim is going to the recycle or the salvage yards. I think they buy those aluminum rims and restore them, but either they get recycled or restored because it's aluminum. But I just want to show you that, guys. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.